So I am from Sarasota, Florida. It's sort of in the Tampa Bay area, a little south. My teeth have been ground down for a long time. You know, I had to avoid chewing things that were really hard in certain areas. So that was something that was an issue as well. I had been working on finding a treatment plan that I really liked and I wanted to go with for quite some time. Of course, I looked locally first and didn't find someone. They all pretty much said that you couldn't do this sort of thing in composite. So I actually had seen a video on YouTube of Dr. Stewart and sent him an email just out of the blue. There was no solicitation on the video or anything like that, but I saw it on there, so I sent him an email, and he answered back shortly and said, "Sure, I'd be glad to look at your case." It really wasn't that much of an inconvenience having to do the traveling. You're not far from the airport. It can be done in just maybe 2 or 3 visits typically. I would recommend this highly for someone that is experiencing the type of things that I was experiencing.